Dear students, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. I am teacher Muhammad Ashraf in front of you with the subject Geography of class 7th, and today's our topic is inside our earth. As you know that we all are home quarantined and it is difficult to deliver our lectures directly, so we are using different kinds of mediums. We are using YouTube, Facebook, WhatsApp, and other modes to reach you. And today's topic is inside our earth. What is inside our earth? We will try to find out these facts. First of all, you know that so far as the earth is concerned, it is interior or the interior of the earth is just like an onion. As you know that this is an onion, and this onion is made up of several layers. As this is it is first layer. This is the first layer of an onion, and after this layer the second one layer comes, that is this is the second layer. When we will open this second layer, the third one layer consists, and the fourth one layer. So this onion is made up of different layers. So is the case with our this planet, which is known as earth. Earth is also just like an onion. The earth is also made up of several layers, and these layers with one inside another. As this onion is, it is first layer, it is second, third, fourth, and so on. So is the case of this earth, and this earth is made up of several concentric layers with one inside another. And the uppermost layer is called crust, as this is the uppermost layer of an onion. So is the case with earth. The uppermost layer of the earth is known as crust. And what is the crust? It is the thinnest one layer. As this layer is thinnest as compared to the other layers of this onion, and the uppermost layer of the earth is the thinnest layer one. It is about 35 kilometers in continents and 5 kilometers in oceans. And you know that this layer, this one layer, as I will show you here, that this is the figure of your earth, and this one layer is known as crust. It is, what is it? It is 35 kilometers in continents, and in oceans it is 5 kilometers. So this one layer, the topmost layer, is known as the crust. And what is hidden in this crust? You will learn it in another chapter, but in brief I can say the main mineral constituents of its continental mass core is silica and aluminum, and oceanic there consists magnesium and silica. As this crust is concerned, we know that in continental part there is silica and aluminum, and in its oceanic part the minerals found are magnesium and silica. Now, so this is the another one topic. We will not go there. We know that the first one layer of this earth is known as crust, and now we will see that the second one this layer, that is this, it is known as mantle. The second one layer of earth is known as mantle. What is mantle? Just beneath the crust, just beneath the crust is mantle, which extends the depth of 2,900 kilometers. As we know that this crust is consists 35 kilometers in continents and 5 kilometers in oceans. But the mantles is extends the depth of 2,900 kilometers. 2,900 kilometers. It is the second one layer, and just beneath the crust is mantle, which extends the depth of 2,900 kilometers. And third one layer, as we know that it is the uppermost layer of the earth, it is thinnest one, and the second one, the beneath of this crust is mantle, and it is 2,900 kilometers. It consists of 2,900 kilometers. And the third one layer, that is known as mantle. What is mantle? Mantle, now third one is core. It is the innermost layer with a radius of about 3,500 kilometers. This is the third one layer. The last one layer, or the core, as we know that when we will, this is the core one, the last one layer, the core one, the innermost one layer, which is known as core, with the radius of 3,500 kilometers. This is the core. It is 3,500 kilometers beneath the mantle. It is mainly made up of nickel and iron. You may know it, and it is informative one lecture, that this core is mainly made up of nickel and iron. What do you know? What is meant by nickel and iron? Or in other words, it is called knife. This is knife. N-I-F-E, knife. So, knife, this N1, knife. Knife stands for nickel. And F-E, Fe stands for furious, that is iron. So, this word consists Ni, Ni means the nickel, and Fe means the iron. The third one layer, which is known as core, it is mainly made up of nickel and iron. So now when we talk about the different layers of earth, we know that it consists of three layers. First one is known as this crust, and the second one is mantle, and the third one, the last one, the innermost part, is known as core. So this was a brief discussion about the layers of the earth. Let us see what is crust. Crust is made up of various types of rocks. This is the crust. It is made up of, as we know that this is made up of nickel or knife. So is the case with this crust. Crust is made up of various types of rocks. What are rocks? Rocks are of different colors. Rocks are of different sizes, and rocks are of different textures. There are three major kinds of rocks. The first one is known as igneous rock. The second one is known as sedimentary rock, and the third one is known as metamorphic rocks. So there are three kinds of rocks, as we know that igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, and metamorphic rocks. As you know that because of this low network coverage as a 2G, we cannot upload a detailed lecture on YouTube. So in next chapter, in next lesson, tomorrow inshallah, we will discuss about these different kinds of rocks. Fi amanillah, Khuda Hafiz.